Welcome to Cybus. Who needs a beach when you have a train? A bird perches on this skydiver. This chocolate looks almost too good to eat. Like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds for a week of good luck. If you're missing the beach during quarantine, then just do this. These fountains are synced perfectly. This light bulb looks like a firework. This jewelry doubles as fun trinkets. This kid is definitely going places. I wish my cats were this careful to not make a mess. I can't imagine being this precise. These plants perfectly capture the rainwater. I feel like he's always wanted to do this. This isn't the most efficient way to put out candles, but it is the most satisfying. This calligraphy is amazing. This eel looks like a ribbon. This coffee is perfectly poured. Suddenly, I'm craving cheese. This rib comes out super clean. How can he paint from so far away? Now you can make a painting just by pulling a trigger. Somehow this isn't boiling over. This little guy is going for a ride. Will Smith shows off this perfectly edited video. This homemade bread looks perfect. Have you ever wondered what coffee looks like on an atomic level? Some dolphins take a ride in the wave. This is the most peaceful area I've ever seen. This tree sticks the landing. This toy looks like a real construction vehicle. This trunk comes out perfectly. I can't believe none of these broke or got squished. This cheese grates so smoothly. Imagine how many pens they went through for this. These pots get decorated with patterns using electricity. I wish snow hearts naturally formed on trees. These transitions are done so perfectly. This seems like such a cool job. A man perfectly cradles his dog while he gets him off the roof. Thanks for watching Cybus. Leave a like on this video and subscribe for another week of good luck.